Muscovy ducks, ducklings, and bronze turkey of Functional Rustic. I see two babies in front. They're about a month and a half old. That dark one is a boy. That's Chester. He's a year old. Turkey's coming on a year. And then that gray and white one about to round the corner is Goldie. She's our Muscovy hen. Oh, there's the other ones. And then back in the pool in the back is another, we'll call it a toddler, the month and a half, 2-month-old baby. And then you can see the head of Prodigy, and he's just a couple weeks old. That is Goldie's baby. So cute. See more of the ducks at functionalrustic.com.